Moirang Kendra da Hokiba Chahi Tara Mari Tara Mangalongi Mamangda UID SSMT gi Makada Paikat Lamba Changai Amasung Sribon Anida Semaloidana Lairamba Water Supply Journal Asigi Hauzik Amuk Nauna Amrut 0.2 Paliba Lenga Sigi Chief Minister na Matamadu da Hotnaramba Matung Sanction Lagla Dunangasi Honabi Matung Inna Makata na Semga Sagat Pahona Naba Laison Tison gi Thoram Ama Changai Amasung Sribon gi Mafam Singa Pangtokre Hari Thoramaduda Moirang Sigi MLA Thongam Santi Singh Amasung Executive Engineer PHED Bishnupur Division P Rambozi Amadi Contractor Sarangajit Yauna Pangtokhi P Rambozi na Fongdoki Bada Scheme Masigi Wat Horiba Tabak Singh Tha Taruki Manungda Luisena Naba Pandam Thamli Haiki MLA na Fongdoki Bada Asigum Laba Amrut 0.2 Asi Atuba Matamgi Manungda Wat Horiba Tabak Singh Luisiladuna Mai Pak na Moirang Municipal Council gi Mafum Kharada Isingi Khudong Saba Fangalagani Haiki Miyam Nasu Tabak Thoramasida Cooperation Pibi Naba Apil Tauki
Scheme Mani Sigi Level Kiba Togotagi Adama Allaga Saita Manimase Allagalera Mahudi Pamengi 2.0 Aburuta Happy Doctora Aso percent from Mama PB Doctora Nasisuma Matam Sangna Moyang Municipality part one to part to reach the book on the Rambo much of Panabung really have a walk alone at the Tibeti they were in my boy Masio and one of the Hozo Minister or Viva City White Kemsan on a root minister Matam Dudana Maudabadi Adi by Vilama Matam to the Honorable Minister, Amoy Multi Minister, Moina, Moirang is single problem. So, woman lady, Masip Pasha, hold the Roita, the Namana, Ivokovi, Akana, Maleda, ship town plana, we even some or we discuss the town of Batunda. Manipuri Tagapamda, Moirang is in Amu to the Pai Yalana, Sensen Topadi. I do the residence in the Honda, Moirang Kenny Pazapuna, Operation Preview.
Manipur da Mitop Miam Chakhandokpa Madi NRC Pangtokpagi Matangda Manipur gi Inner MP Bimola Koizamna Miam Bulan Uhan Bayaba Amadi Lamjing Bayabu Wafam Sing Fongdoriki Basi Yamna Laibak Thibani Haina Maitei Mitei Tribe Union gi Maikei gi Fongdorakli MMTU na Thadoraki Bacherol duna Makhatana Lamda Masida Mitop Kanabu Oigedage Amadi India da Chatnariba Rule of Law gi Matung Ina Mitop Khandokna Naba Paikhalakpa Thabakta Lana Lamjing Bayabu Wafam Sing Kanagumba politician Amadi political party Singna Fongdok Piroidabani Haina Fongdorakli Cheroladuna Makhatana Mitop Singa Yumfom Moiraga Board Bank ki politics Taubagi Wakalon Asina Hana Kundaduna Lerambalam the Masiki citizen Amadi Yelhomi Singda Ajobuchaiting Pirakli Masina Yelhomi Singi Kongda from Ledak Haibasi Equigi politician Singna Wakal Tamina Mathau Tarakli India si Mitop Sangsilakpagi Matangda UN gi Refugee Convention 1951 the signed to Balebak Amanate Equigi politician Amadi Lengak na India gi awang nong puglamdam asida Mitop lak kaya leptena khunda salakliba asi logi matung ina khandoklaga masagi maramdamda deport tawkiba yananabagi thawrang thawsil ama puthoktuna extra treaty ama inaba yabra haibadu nainabiu Asamda NRC tawduna Khandorakpa Bangladesi lak kaya Bangladesh ta hojiksu halan khiba ngamdana leiri haina makhatari